Hello my dear friends, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you stop pop-up ads on Android phone. Let's jump right in. First of all, unlock your phone, open settings. Once you are in the main settings, go to connection. After that, scroll through the page, open more connection settings. Here you can find the private DNS option. Right now this option is turned off. Simply tap on their name, then select private DNS provider hostname option. After that, simply type the code dns.atgar.com. After you type, simply hit the save button. Now go back to the main settings page, scroll through the page again. This time you can find the Google services or Google similar if your phone model version. Open it. Then click on all services. Now scroll through the page slowly. Locate the privacy and security section under add option. Click on it. Then first of all open add privacy. You can see three different options: add topic, add suggested ads, add measurement or similar. Simply turn off this triple option. Once you successfully turn off, simply go back to the previous page, tap on the reset advertising ID, then hit confirm. After that, also click on the delete advertising ID, then go tap on delete advertising ID again, and you have successfully done. Now go back to your home page, swipe up to open the app door. You can find the Chrome browser, open it. After the app is open, simply you can tap on the three dots more button top right corner, go to settings, scroll down to the page, open the site settings menu. Here you can scroll down slowly, locate the various options, find the pop-up and redirects option, open it and make sure to set it don't allow site to send pop-up ad use redirects. Then hit the back button, scroll through the page again. This time you can open the intrusive ads option and make sure to also select the ads are blocked on site known to show interesting or misleading ads, and you have successfully done. But make sure you have not be completely stopped all of pop-up ads. You can remove only some of apps your phone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like this video.